How to BUI $ZAILGO. ZAILGO token crypto coin. How to by Coinex Global XTXT.com Solana SOL Raydium Memecoin AI. How to buy ZAILGO token. ZAILGO. Sup everybody, Helper Dog here. Stock investor aka crypto investor. Back with another video. Today, we're going over the ZAILGO token. This token has just received a couple of big centralized exchange listings today, making it a very popular token with a big market cap and a solid 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the details of the ZAILGO token and how you can get it in just a moment. But first, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just information for you to consider. Always do your own research before investing, especially in crypto, as it can be volatile. Now, let's dive into the details. The ZAILGO token was announced today on Twitter to be listed on Coinex Global on January 2nd, 7:30 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, which has already passed. So, it's available now on Coinex Global. If you don't have an account with Coinex Global yet, you can open one, fund it with USDT, and simply buy ZAILGO. You can also track the token's performance, charts, and price on DEX Tools or DEX Screener, as well as find the contract address there. I'll also put their Twitter handle up here on the screen. Additionally, this token is listed on BER, EY, and SolScan because it's based on the Solana blockchain. Key info about ZAILGO token. Market cap, $441.3 million. 24-hour trading volume, $17.5 million. Transactions today, 27,140. Price, $4.29 per token. Liquidity on Raydium, $1.2 million. 99.76% of this liquidity is locked and burned, which is a good sign. Circulating supply, 98.64% of the total supply, which is deflationary. The ZAILGO token has a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and the contract is not freeable, which adds to the security of the project. So far, they have 6,690 holders, and they're currently trending number 6 on DEX Tools. How to buy ZAILGO token. You have a couple of options to buy ZAILGO. Buy on centralized exchange, Coinex Global. Open an account on Coinex Global. Fund your account with USDT. Go to the trade section, search for ZAILGO, and buy the token. Buy on Raydium, decentralized. You will need a Solana-compatible wallet, such as Solflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask. Fund your wallet with SOL, which can be purchased from a centralized exchange or transferred from another wallet. Go to the dApp section of your wallet, find Raydium, and trade SOL for ZAILGO using the contract address. You can find the contract address on SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener, or their Twitter. Just make sure you're using the right contract address. Additional information. Twitter. Follow their official account at WebTM, which has 12,900 followers and is blue verified. Telegram. They have a Telegram channel called ZAILGO Portal on DEX Tools, but it currently has only 49 subscribers. Creator token holdings. The creator holds 15.3% of the tokens, and the top 5 holders own 24% of the tokens. This could be a consideration when evaluating the project. Security and liquidity. The ZAILGO token has had its first mint on December 30th, and the contract was created on Pump.fun, a Solana token creation platform. According to the rug check, it has a good security rating, with locked liquidity and pools in Raydium and Meteora. They also have a low risk level based on the liquidity and burn metrics. Conclusion. So, what do you think about the ZAILGO token? Do you think this project has potential? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for daily crypto updates where I cover the latest coins and tokens and their utility. Thanks for watching, and have a great day out there. Peace out. Victory Hand.